Welcome to Dr. Bissett Naturals. I'm Dr. Carolyn Bissett. I'm a medical doctor and a master herbalist, and I have a good one for you on this episode. Today we're going to be making DIY natural mouthwash. It's going to be fantastic with only 5 natural ingredients, and I'm going to show you how. What we're really making today is called a tincture in herbalism. It's where you infuse herbs in alcohol for preservation. So let's get started. Let me back up a minute first. I just want to spend a little bit of time talking about the commercial mouthwashes that are available on the market. First of all, there's an incredible amount of plastic waste generated from these bottles. They're full of artificial chemicals and flavorings, not to mention things like polysorbate 20, saccharin, propylene glycol. I want to offer another natural solution for mouthwash where you make it in a glass mason jar or any kind of glass vessel that you have and simply infuse herbs with alcohol to make your own natural one. It tastes so much better and it's so much more natural and good for you. And I'm going to go into all the ingredients now. Number 1. The first ingredient in our DIY natural mouthwash is mint. Either peppermint, spearmint, or just good old mint. You can grow it in your garden. You can buy it at your local grocery store. It's fantastic. You can put all the mint that you want in a jar. I usually put about a cup or 2 in a jar this size. It's wonderful. The reason we're putting mint in the mouthwash is that it's going to give your breath a clean, minty, fresh feeling. It's really just for that purpose, to make it a pleasant experience. Number 2. The next ingredient is rosemary, and you can grow rosemary in your garden or get it at the local grocery store. Put a nice healthy handful of rosemary in the jar. It has antiseptic properties and it's going to help fight the bad bacteria in your mouth. Number 3. The third ingredient is plantain, and this is a common weed available in most lawns. It's a beautiful variegated leaf, and it blooms spring, summer, and fall. Take a little handful of plantain and put that in your jar. A beautiful, nurturing herb, plantain. Number 4. The fourth ingredient is clove, and cloves have a natural chemical compound in it called eugenol. And clove oil has been used for centuries to soothe oral irritation or oral pain. A lot of people will put a drop of clove oil on babies' gums when they're teething. It's a natural herbal remedy for easing mouth soreness and soothing gums. And the last ingredient is vodka. Just make sure that it's at least 80 proof. This vodka is going to serve as a preservative for our mouthwash, and it's going to make a tincture with all of the herbs. That's basically what a tincture is. It's alcohol with herbs that are infused over time, so all of the beneficial properties from the herb go into the alcohol. So just make sure that all of your herbs are covered with the alcohol. Put the lid back on it. Give it a little shake if you want. And isn't that just beautiful? A natural herbal DIY mouthwash. You set this on a sunny windowsill for a few days or up to 2 weeks, and then just simply strain it through cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer and decant it into your favorite glass jar for your vanity. I like to use olive oil jars. This is my jar of homemade mouthwash. And if you look in the olive oil jar aisle of your local store, you can find some really pretty, beautiful glass jars to hold your DIY natural mouthwash. So give it a try. No chemicals, no artificial colors, no synthetics, just the pure, yummy goodness of nature. Try these new bamboo charcoal toothbrushes or a compostable toothbrush. They're so much better for the environment than the plastic ones. You know, ever since I was a little kid, I would go in the bathroom at night to brush my teeth, and I'd turn on the water, wet my toothbrush, put the toothpaste on, and brush. And I'd always leave the water running. But now that I'm older, I thought about it. I'm leaving that water running for 2 minutes, and it seems a little wasteful, and like I might be wasting a precious resource. So I just wanted to bring it to your attention this week that maybe when you're brushing your teeth, you could shut off the water for those 2 minutes and do something good for the planet. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.